Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Shredded honey chili chicken. People have been asking me to show them how to make this for years. And the reason why I haven't done a video on this, even though it's in such high demand and people are begging me to do it, is because I have to eat the food after I make a video. And this just wouldn't be for me, and I'll show you why. Start off with some shredded chicken, add in some salt and pepper to season it. Then we're going to coat this chicken with about half an egg. I mean, this honey chili chicken is just loaded with sugar. I wouldn't be surprised if you ate this and forgot to brush your teeth. You'd probably be waking up with very little teeth in the morning. So coat that with some egg. This is about half a whisked egg. I'll put all the exact measurements in the description box below. You can read that after you watch this video. That's if you want to even make it after seeing how it's made. And then we're going to cover that up with a load of corn flour. I can't think of anything that's more unhealthy to eat than this. I really can't. Deep fried chicken and corn flour covered in sugar, more sugar. You'll see it's, you just keep an eye and you'll see how bad this gets. In my opinion, anyway, but if you like it, you like it. I'm just here to show you how to make it. So once your chicken is coated, fully coated in corn flour like that, heat up your chip pan, your chip pan to about 170 degrees. Pop in your chicken and you're going to cook this for about 4 minutes until it's soft in the middle. Once you put the chicken in, just give it a good stir because the chicken can tend to stick to each other because of the flour and the egg. And if you have a nagging partner or wife or something like that, try and clean up a bit as much as you can, because you have a few minutes where it's cooking anyway. You may as well try and clean everything or hide everything, throw everything in the sink. And then after you've done that there, you can go back to your chicken, give it another stir, make sure it's not all stuck together in clumps. And then what you're going to do is, it should look something like this, just like that. You're going to take it out and drain the chicken, set it to the side and allow it to cool for 2 minutes. Allow the fat to drain off it, and then we're going to show you how to make the sauce. Now see the sauce is the part I don't like at all. Now look what goes into the sauce, right? We have all this tomato ketchup absolutely loaded with sugar. To the tomato ketchup, we're going to add some sweet chili sauce, more sugar. To that, we're going to add in golden syrup, a load of golden syrup. And that's why I hate this. When you eat this, it's so sweet and it sticks to your teeth. More sugar. We're going to add in brown sugar, 2 or 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'll put the exact measurements on it. More sugar. And then to that, we're going to add in corn flour. That'll thicken the sauce up. And then probably the only healthy thing to go into this is a couple of tablespoons of water. Stir all that around. Anyway, and if you're going to eat this, don't forget to brush your teeth afterwards, because you can just feel the sugar and the syrup sticking to your teeth. Heat up your wok, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Chuck in your onions and green peppers, or whatever veg you want. It doesn't have to be onions and green peppers. You want to just cook those for about a minute until the raw taste is off them. Once you fry them and toss them around, or whatever you want to do with them, cook them for a minute. Then you're going to add in your chicken. And here's the chicken we have cooked earlier, just coming up now. Keep an eye coming up from the top of the screen. There you have it. Flip all that around. This is the last thing I want to do tonight, a cooking video. I see these people on YouTube that do these professional videos and all these angles. I mean, I'm just firing this camera around before my tripod's still broke. Fire in your sauce then around the edges. Swirl that all around, and you want to fully coat your chicken. Now the measurements for this sauce, I've actually put on double the amount of sauce, because I know some people like a lot of sauce and some people like it slightly dry, but you can put on as much sauce as you want. The measurements will be in the description box, and you'll have plenty extra sauce there anyway. So once that's done, now you need some Shoshing wine, but do not make the mistake I made like this. The cap wasn't on the last time. I made a dish, and the whole thing, the whole bottle of Shoshing wine, adding your chilies, went under the wok. Now it's lucky it's alcohol, so I'm either going to burn this alcohol off when I'm cooking, or else I'm going to keep it on just and eat it and get drunk because I'm having a terrible day. But that's your honey chili chicken there, lovely jubbly.